tus besos me hace sentir bien. Simplemente me encanta tu forma de ser. Cuando caminas matas a cualquier hombre. Y yo contigo neta sí me enamoré. Me traes bien loco todo el día pensándote. Me atrevería a llevarte banda tal vez. Y escribirte canciones, gritar tu nombre. Se me hace que ya tengo con quien vivir la vida, recorrerla constante. Conocer lugares románticos también. Llevarte a la luna o bajártela donde tú quieras. Mi casa, ves, por ti pelearé. Ser el hombre que te dé lo que tú desees. Yo sé muy bien con verte que tú me quieres. Cuando estoy contigo se me va el martirio. Tú me tranquilizas al hablar bonito. Ahí estás cuando te necesito. Completas mi vida como un libro. Error no has tenido, perfecta te miro. Y si algún día es que discutimos, sé que nuestro amor nos desunido.
Day what, 3? Back at it. Got a late start, but it's what, it's 6, about 6:20 right now. Oh, this one here. Oh, not that one. It's like he knew I was getting ready to aim. Here it is. Oh shit. All right, I gotta start taking my time. Take my time, hit my shots. Take my time, hit my shots. Hey buddy. Wow, bro. There's nothing worse than shooting a shot, seeing the bird fly away as the feathers fly in your face. Oh, here it is. Come down, man. I'm going to get that bitch. Last one made it over the fence, but this one won't. Shit. Damn. I didn't want to take those shots because Adrian's over there, but I can take this one. One. Oh, here comes one. How about this? If I see some damn feathers. Hey, we're here. Oh shit. Damn, Adrian, I suck. There it goes. Don't touch that damn tree. I used the pump.
You want to use that one?
I use this one. Did you want to use that one?
No, I suppose yeah, you just told me to hold it and it burst started flying, so I just decided to shoot. Are you sure? Use this one if you want.
Adrian, which one do you like more?
I like this one more because I
Okay, well then use that one.
Oh, that was
You shoot all three? God damn! Let's get it. It is yours. Good shot. Ah, shit. Adrian! Three, but there was one I couldn't find.
Jealous niggas looking but refuse to box me. I don't blame them though. I would jump on stage and flow. The police and the they can't stop me, but suddenly the host control.
Of course. Shit. Damn, that's far. I shouldn't have shot that bird. Gotta go get it. Too high. That's what I learned about being out here, man, is not to shoot at the ones that are too far. Like that's too high. I don't even know if you can see that one on camera. So high they look like dragonflies up there. Boy, hey, Lavell, you know, with that thing. With that thing. I see a bird. I can't cock it right now because it's loaded, but you know what I'm gonna do. You know I'm gonna do. You know I'm gonna do to that bird. Nah, but for real, I think I'm getting the hang of this thing. But right around this time, I know they slow down, but I'm just happy I got some. We got some in the pond right there that we weren't even able to get. Here we go, boys. Shit. I don't even know why I shot at it. I was just angry that I missed. Get another bullet in here. One thing I learned, keep this thing loaded. You hear me? You heard me. You heard me loud and clear. Keep it loaded, keep it cocked. Oh. Yes, sir. Alrighty. Just gonna shake that off. Just gonna shake it off. I like the way you move. Is this coming to me? I'm about to say, boy, you're in the wrong part of town. They said, I'm tired of this shit. I'm tired of this shit, Grandpa. I don't give a damn. But he said, that's too damn bad. They ain't gonna come today and they ain't gonna come tomorrow. Oh, Adrian! Dang! Clicked on them. We ain't gonna see another one for 30 minutes. I think the worst part is one landed in the pond and it's just been staring at us like your ass really done shot me and got me sitting up in this pond with these croaking frogs. I ain't seen birds in a while, so I'm gonna take a shot. Nah, I ain't gonna take a shot. $8.99 a box. $8.99 a box. That's what I gotta think when I shoot these shotgun shells.
Well, we have 10.
Huh?
We have 10.
Yeah. Damn, I'm just gonna leave it recording.
What's up?
I keep taking it off of record. And I keep forgetting to put it on record whenever I shoot something. So I miss my shots. Shout out to JR for letting us use the ranch. I gotta stop breathing so hard. I remember watching my video and I was breathing so hard. Put this on safety. Tie my shoe. Oh, and shout out to Mrs. Martinez for the shoes. Adrian! Damn! And damn, this shit's starting to hurt my forehead. You know, I think there are some cushions for this. You get to looking through the things you buy and be like, what are these pieces for? And you learn throughout using the equipment. And I don't know if it's because my forehead big or this plastic's just hard against my forehead. But I'm pretty sure that sticker in there is for the cushion. I think I'm gonna endure the pain. Hopefully it's pushing it inward. I be having to give y'all jokes, so y'all be coming out with terrible ones. Damn. Shit! I ain't losing this one. Who the f did I think I was? I ain't losing this one. Miss both of them shots. Damn! 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 Oh shit, yeah. You get him? Maybe. Not good enough. That was the right one. That's the one I should have chosen. Yeah, not good enough. Yeah, that was it. That was it. Adrian just got 2 in 1 shot. We could really use the dogs right now. Might just bring him out here to fish him out. Adrian! You hear a car?
I think it's a dozer.
Huh?
I think it's a dozer.
No, I hear a car. I'm trying to remember where I put my hunter's papers. I didn't even really get a good aim at that shit. I'm getting trigger happy. Shit. Just recording. Shit. Always recording when I don't want it to. Ah! You live to fly another day, my friend. You, on the other hand, okay.
Hey, can I have a couple shells? I already ran out of my 2 boxes.
Is there another box in there?
Yeah, the ones that you bought, right?
Yeah, because I only had like 4 in my pocket. You used 2, right?
Yeah, I already have 2 of that views.
So you used 2. I'm just not finishing my second one, so this is the last one. So here.
Thanks.
You take some more.
Let's do this with you. Right there. Alright, man.
I might just get this one. I'm tired of motherfuckers leaving me. No, I ain't gonna do it. Shit. I don't even know I shot at that shit. I was trying to time it. Positive vibes, bro. We lit. Oh. How many you got? 7? Nice. I think I still got 5. Two? Damn, my head hurts. Adrian going crazy. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I have 6. Oh, there's one. I gotta hit this one. I gotta hit this one. I gotta hit this one. I gotta get that one, boy. I gotta get that one. Oh, shit. I couldn't find it. So while y'all was gone, I did manage to get one. Yeah, I should probably start cleaning it up now. Yeah, there you go. And we're all good. And just to really be sure, then put it on safety. Huh? Shooting some dove. Shooting dove.
How many of you are there?
Oh shit, here we go again.
I got lifelong dreams, approaching on the scene. You know what I'm talking about, you know what I mean. I'ma go ahead and do this, so why you acting clueless? I done said it all before, I thought you already knew this. I got lifelong dreams, approaching on the scene. You know what I'm talking about, you know what I mean. I'ma go ahead and do this. I'ma go ahead and do this. I got lifelong dreams, 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 I got lifelong